Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics and taking the first actionable steps. Open Settings, go to Cellular, and make sure cellular data is enabled. This provides the carrier link. Next, tap Personal Hotspot and toggle it on, then create a strong Wi-Fi password. This secures other devices. Once done, decide how you'll share. Wi-Fi is easiest, Bluetooth is lower power, and USB gives stable throughput. Follow these steps now, so your hotspot is active and discoverable to nearby devices. You now move into the detailed execution of connecting devices. To join by Wi-Fi, open the hotspot screen, note the network name and password, and enter them on the client device. This is fastest for multiple devices. For USB, plug into your Mac or PC, unlock the iPhone, and tap Trust if prompted. The computer will use the phone's connection. For Bluetooth, pair both devices in their Bluetooth settings. Then enable network access on the client so traffic routes through the phone. You're finishing the process and handling the common issues you might hit. After connecting, monitor cellular data usage in settings so you don't exceed your plan, and turn off personal hotspot when finished to conserve battery. Use USB to charge while sharing. If a device can't see the hotspot, make sure cellular data is active, toggle personal hotspot off and on, and restart the iPhone if needed. These steps reset services and often restore visibility and connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.